Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the UHM mortgage app. So let's get started. So to do in iPhone, you have to open your app store, and in on Android devices you have to use your Google Play Store. So I will just open my Google Play Store and search for the app UHM mortgage app. So as you can see UHM mortgage, I will just go here, click on the install button, and it will automatically download and install the app. So if you scroll down, you can see the app ratings, and you can also rate the app from here. And if you want to contact the developer, you can contact it from here as well. So by this way you can do it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.